Round up, Geoff Miller dwi, cruiser I Nghaergybi. Dwi gweithio gwasanaethan ac acwb Gogledd Cymru. Remember I told you guys I work for Northwest Fire and Rescue Service? Yes, that's me, Geoff Miller. So today I'm going to give you some barbecue tips. This summer, this lovely summer when the weather is lovely, you know, tea wet achian sun out, my brave you. Wonderful day today. So barbecue tips this summer, guys. Make sure that your charcoal barbecue is in good working order. Okay, don't fill it too much. 2 inches of coal, that's good. Okay, make sure it's on a sturdy platform, nice flat sturdy platform and in good working order. Okay, keep it away from any fences. No fences and bushes and trees, keep it away from that. We don't want to cause a fire. Okay, and the kids, keep the kids away. All right, you know, well, the plant, parents, watch the kids in the quarter in the garden, playing around in the garden. All right. So watch them and ensure for safety purposes have a bucket of water, a bucket of door close by so you can use, you know, at your hand, a hose pipe. All right, make sure you have all that there. Ladies and gentlemen, this summer is so make sure you use a barbecue well ventilated outdoors. So open fires, any open fires. Outdoors, don't put them in any tent or awning, okay? And remember, when they're cooling down, we have a thing called carbon monoxide, okay? So keep them well ventilated outside, not in any tents, okay? So you can keep safe and the family keeps safe. And when having your barbecue, and keep attention to it. When you're drinking, dim drink a caro while you're operating a barbecue, no beers. This is what you have. Door, keep hydrated as well, so safety come first, okay? And for your gas barbecue, ensure when you turn it off or on or changing it, it's by the top. Top only, top off, okay? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So righty tighty, turn it off, change it outdoors, well ventilated again, and when you turn it off, same thing, turn it off, and then you turn off the dial. Okay, keep safe this summer, ladies and gentlemen. When cooking your food, make sure you cook all the way through. Your jerk chicken, your jerk pork, your barbecue beef burger. You know, cut it, and make sure you check it, and make sure everything is cooked properly at the right temperature. Make sure you have also your smoke alarm in your homes, you know, in your caravan. And if you don't, give us a call. Give us a call. Go on the website. Give us a call at 0800 169 1234. That's 0800 169 1234, and we will install it freely for you. Well, and safety checks, we've done them as well. So, okay, have a wonderful summer, getting summer, and enjoy. And remember, King Nghaergybi, Geoff Miller.